Hello everyone, let's solve question number 25 of GATE 2025 CS1 paper. The number minus 6, I am assuming it is minus 6 only, uh, can be represented as 1010 in 4-bit 2's complement representation. Which one of the following is correct? 2's complement representation of minus 6. So we need to find 2's complement of minus 6. Let's do that. So in order to understand this, let's understand what 2's complement is. So 2's complement is a way of representing signed integers in binary. It has benefits like simple binary arithmetic, only one representation of 0, and most significant bit indicates the sign. 0 is for positive, 1 is for negative. What are the steps to find 2's complement? Let's write that. So convert the 6 into binary form. So 6 as an integer, if you want to understand the binary format of it, then there are various ways to do that. So we can, there is a technique. We divide it by destination and multiply it by source. Now, what is this technique? Let's understand that. What is my destination bit? I want 2's bit. And source is 10 basically. So divided by destination, so I will divide it by 2. If I divided it by 2, then what it will give? It will give me, if I start writing it, 6 divided by 2, 3, uh, divided by 1 and 1. It comes out to be 0. Okay. So divided by destination and into source. So what we can do here is, so what is the remainder of 6? Let's understand that. 6 modulus 2, that will be 0. So we write 0 here. Okay, fine. And it becomes 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. After that, 3 modulus 2 is 1. So you can add 1 here and divide it again. 1 modulus, uh, so 3 modulus 2 is 1 added. 1 modulus 2 is 1 and 1 by 2 will be 0. So 0 we can add. This is like one of the tricks maybe you can say, or any other way you can see. Write the binary representation. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Which bits you will try to set? You can set this bit and you can set this bit. So the number will be 0, 1, 1, 0. So we got the binary representation of 6. After that, we will invert this to get the ones complement. So in order to invert this, what we can do is, if I try inversion here, then it will be after inversion. It will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Inverting all those digits. Or you can simply do this, that 0, 1, 1, 0. You can add or subtract, whatever you call. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. If this is the number where all bits are set, this is equal to actually 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So this is 15. Okay. Now, I get the inverted number, which is 10001. What else I need? I can add 1 in this. I can add an extra 1 in this. So let's do that. So 6 binary representation of 6 here, that is actually equal to 0110. By subtracting from the all set bit number, it will be 1001. That is actually inverting. Once you invert all the digits, you can add one more in that. If you add 1 in this, so it will be 0. It will be carry out 1, and then it will be 0, and again 0. So 1010 will be the number. Now, once you get that, sign extension we need to check. So to go from the smaller bit width to a larger bit width like 4, 8, 16, we extend the signs of MSB to the left. So if the number is negative, then MSB will be equal to 1 with pad of ones. And if the number is positive, then MSB will be equal to 0. So to apply given choices here, -6 in 4 bits actually is equal to 1010. We can now extend this to 16 and 8 bits as well, if you guys want. So, if I somehow extend this, then the original 2's complement I get is 1010. If I start extending it in, let's say, 8 bit kind of a thing, then it will be 0 here and 0 here, 0, and we can set the main base to 1. This is one thing. Uh, so let's try to do that. Let's try to do one by one by one. So let's apply the answers to the given choices. There are 4 options now. So we know very well that -6 2's complement is 1010. Now we will extend this format to 8 bit and 16 bit respectively. So the first option is in 8 bit, the given option is 1000 1010. This is option A, and that is in 8 bit. Check MSB. So MSB is 1, but let's decode it. So 10001010. It is not correct sign extension of 1010, because if I try converting this number using 2's complement, then first I will invert it. So subtracting it from 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, it will be 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 kind of number. And then I can add 1 in this. So it will be 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. That is coming out to be 118. That is incorrect. Uh, ठीक है. So option A seems incorrect. Let's try the option B. Option B is 1 1 1 1 1010. MSB 1 is negative. Let's decode it. So if I invert this, it will be subtracting for 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 in 8 bit. If I start subtracting it out, then it will be 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, good enough. I subtracted it out. After that, I can add 1 in that. So if I try adding 1 in this, if I somehow try adding 1 in this, then it will be plus 1. It comes out to be 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0, which is actually equal to 6. Correct. Good enough. So option B is one of the correct answers. Are there more correct answers? Let's check that. Let's try option C. So it is checked in 16 bit. So option C is 100000000000010. MSB is negative. Let's convert it to decimal. So if I convert this number, like again same process I will try. So inverting it to 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 after inverting, basically subtracting it from 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. After subtracting it out, this is what the result comes out. After that I will add 1 in this, so it will be 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. It comes out to be, if I start calculating, then this is 1, this is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128, 256, 511, 1024, 2048, 4096. I can again double it. It will be 8192. If I double this, then it will be 4, 8, 2 ones are 2, and plus 1, 3, 16,384. And if I get this node, it is 0, but I can still like, so I don't need to worry. If I add all the ones, if I start adding it, it will be very big value. You can see that, so it is not matching. Anyways, option C is incorrect. Uh, let's try the option D maybe. So the option D is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. This is option D. Checking the MSB one, that means the number is negative. Okay. And inverting it, it will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. If I add 1 in this, then it will be 0 1 1 0. This is after inverting. Then I add 1 in this. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So if I get this value, it is actually equal to 6. So I can say very well that option D is correct. So the correct answer for this particular question is option B and option D. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.